Welcome to the project demonstration of face mask detection and temperature based gate authentication system. So these are same old project. Like we in this one we have added some more features like step by step checking. Initially it will check the temperature of the body, and it will be detected whenever we place the hand. Then only it will confirm the temperature is okay. Then it will monitor the mask. When the mask is detected, then the system will provide the green light indication, as well as the DC motor used to open the gauge, and after some time automatically the system will close the gauge. So here the flow is temperature purpose. We are making use of MLX 90614 temperature sensor, which is a IR based non-contact temperature sensor, and for mask detection we are making use of USB camera, and also the so-called status will be continuously displayed on the LCD screen 16:2, and the same status will be indicated through the buzzer and red light whenever the mask is detected, mask is not detected, and also if the temperature is high above 100 degree Fahrenheit. And coming to the green light indication will be accept indication. And next we have interfaced the DC motor through the L293D motor driver to our Raspberry Pi 3 processor. And here the inputs like temperature and camera, and outputs LEDs, buzzer, LCD and DC motor. So L293 is a motor driver which used to control the DC motors in bidirectional. Two DC motors can be controlled from one L293D motor driver. So here we are using only one motor, we can use, and two motors also. And we have interfaced the USB camera to USB slot here, and the whole system powered by this adapter, so which will provide the 5 volts 2 amps of power, and also battery used to provide the power supply to the motor as a gate presentation. Just before switching on the gate we need to connect the battery, and after that we can get the power supply to the whole system. So we'll show you the output. So once we switch on the gates, then the system will take around 15 to 20 seconds of duration for booting. Once the booting was successfully done, then the system will display the welcome message, project name on the LCD screen, as well as the buzzer and lights on and off 2 times. Right. And now the system is asking for show the hand. So when I show my hand, so then it will check my temperature. Right, now the temperature is okay, and next it will scan the mask. So we'll show you that mask scanning. Now it is mask scanning. So without mask, right, red light indication and a buzzer indication, and after that it won't scan the face again. Again it is asking for the temperature, body temperature. So for that again we need to show the hand, and once the temperature is okay, then the LCD will display the temperature is okay. Right. Now temperature is okay. So right, green light indication is there, you can see that, and welcome message will be displayed on the LCD screen, and after that it won't scan the face again, just it will ask for the show the hand. So if high temperature is detected, right, so if the high temperature is detected, then the red light indication and high temperature may displayed on the LCD screen. If I have the mask also, it won't give the authentication for me. Let us see on the LCD screen. Right, high temperature message displayed on the LCD screen. So if the person has the mask, after showing temperature, we can see that temperature is okay, right, and a mask. So I wore the mask now. Right, so welcome message displayed on the LCD screen, and after that again it won't scan the mask. Again it will ask for the temperature. Show the hand. So I am showing my hand, temperature is okay, and right, I don't have the mask now, so I remove my mask. Right, and after that it again asking for the hand for scan the temperature first, then mask.